NIO is charged up and ready to go with the opening of pre-orders for its latest SUVs, the ES8, which will hit the market in September. The new ES8 model will be available in 6-seat and 7-seat versions, offering significant performance and quality of life improvements compared to previous releases in the line. It will become the largest battery-based electric SUV available in the Chinese market upon its release. Looking ahead, NIO is scheduled to publish its unaudited second quarter results on September 2nd. In the long term, the Chinese electric vehicle company is expanding its global footprint by entering Singapore, Costa Rica, and Uzbekistan over the next 2 years. Partnerships have been with local heavyweights in each region to facilitate its expansion. In Singapore, NIO has teamed up with Warenes Automotive, a veteran luxury car dealer with a history dating back to 1906. Together, they will launch the Firefly, NIO's small and smart high-end EV, which will be the company's first vehicle designed for right-hand drive markets. This partnership is expected to debut in 2026. NIO's entry into Costa Rica marks its debut in the Americas, where it will partner with Horizontes Cielo Azul Movilidad, the country's largest EV distributor. The company will offer a range of models, including the EL8, EL6, ET5 Touring, Envo L60, and Firefly. Costa Rica's high EV adoption rate makes it an ideal springboard for NIO's expansion in the region. In Uzbekistan, NIO has partnered with Abu Sahi Motors, a local giant in logistics, real estate, and automotive. This partnership represents NIO's entry into the Central Asian automotive market, where it will offer models such as the EL8, EL6, ET5, and Envo L60. NIO's global expansion is driven by its multi-brand strategy, featuring NIO, Envo, and Firefly brands. Each brand serves a different buyer, allowing NIO to cater to diverse user needs and offer premium smart electric vehicles and innovative mobility solutions. As of July 2025, NIO has delivered over 800,000 vehicles globally and has amassed over 9,900 patents. It's also developed its proprietary NIO Full Stack, a set of 12 core technology areas ranging from autonomous driving to battery systems. According to Chris Chen, NIO's head of global business development, "We're choosing partners who know the terrain, speak the language, and share our values." This approach enables NIO to introduce its high-quality smart electric vehicles to new markets more efficiently. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.